All rise.
It was an experience that I can't compare to any other.
May I proceed, Your Honor?
Best competition I've ever seen.
I'm showing opposing counsel Defense Exhibit A.
If you take advantage of everything the Empire has to offer, you're just bound for the experience of a lifetime.
Would you please introduce yourself to the court?
At Empire Mock Trial, we teach high school students how to be better speakers, thinkers,
We'll call that Fact B.
communicators, and all-around citizens. And we do it through an activity called Mock Trial.
The Honorable Judge Raymond J. Deary will be presiding. Please proceed.
Mock Trial is an extracurricular activity where students prepare cases for trial just like actual attorneys.
The Empire really exposed me to objections, different types of cases, and it was really a great experience.
Over the past 5 years, Empire Mock Trial has welcomed nearly 1,000 high school students for an international tournament in New York City.
The Empire was my first time being a lawyer, and giving an opening statement in that federal courthouse, making objections and arguing the rules, it gives you such an amazing feeling.
They must prove 3 things to you beyond any reasonable doubt. No room for error.
The kids amaze us year after year. They argue objections like real attorneys. Judges say they can't even tell the difference.
Your Honor, under the case law State v. Urban says there's no human declarant in any pertinent sense inside of this ticket. This would not be hearsay.
You want to learn more about the law than you ever imagined you could.
Over 200 members of the legal community volunteer at the event, serving as judge, juror, and educator.
The task they're undertaking is very difficult, and myself and every other judge that I work with is consistently impressed with how good these competitors are.
She lied to the police, she lied to the prosecutors, and she lied to you to save herself.
These students are incredibly accomplished, qualifying for the Empire after placing in the top 5 of their state or country competition.
You're not only meeting with the best in your country, but you're meeting with the best in the world.
This vital piece of information you did not feel was important enough to put in your affidavit, sir.
It's not just for aspiring attorneys.
I currently work as a detective and crime scene investigator with the Fairfax County Sheriff's Department.
The Empire prepares students for the real world just as much as the legal world.
The oratorical and the skills that they learn, the ability to speak on their feet, the ability to think on their feet, those are skills that apply to job interviews, to any kind of public speaking, and those are skills that they can take with them regardless of whether they enter the law or not.
Mock trial, the Empire has prepared me so much for any field that I would like to pursue. It's a great event. Being organized and making an argument, being analytical, and I know that's a lot of what it means to be an attorney, but that's also a lot of what it means to be anything, is the ability to organize your thoughts and deliver them in a precise, powerful way.
I gained confidence in talking in public, talking to other people, and Empire taught me how to trust other people in doing their bit of work.
Students are exposed to new cultures and values by interacting with their peers from diverse backgrounds.
For some people it's their first time in New York, for some people it's their first time in America, and just to see all of that come together for 3 days is something really special.
Our students have hailed from 26 states and 6 countries, coming all the way from Australia, Canada, Korea, the United Kingdom, and in 2009, our world champions were from Ireland.
To me, New York was the most exhilarating and rewarding experience I've ever had.
What better venue for these students to meet than the greatest city in the world, New York?
We teach our students that civility and collegiality are just as important as arguing an objection. We do that by holding a variety of social events. There's a cruise of New York Harbor, a Sunday night dance, and a pin exchange.
I think one of my favorite parts was the cruise. We went all over the harbor and we saw the Statue of Liberty up close, which was it was breathtaking.
It was really awesome to come to New York for the first time from Georgia and see all the lights and the people.
The Empire is designed to turn these students, these competitors, from legal adversaries to lifelong friends. And year after year, that's what happens.
The friendships that I built at Empire have carried through to the national tournament,
through to my everyday life. Even the team that we saw in the final round, we became great friends with. We're still friendly with them. Nearly a year later, our coaches keep in touch.
They leave New York City with new skills, friendships, and experiences.
I'm so glad we had this round because it's made us better as a team, and it was just fun.
The Empire was hands down the best mock trial competition I've ever done, and probably one of the best experiences I've had in high school.
To sum up Empire in one word, unforgettable.
Empire on 3!
1, 2,